Hello, this is Debra Carmona here. I just want to share a quick little video with you. I have decided that my house is in sore need of a deep cleaning. So I've decided to tackle one room at a time, and today it was the bathroom. I have dusted every high shelf, every item on the shelf. I have been so super busy the past month or so, more than a month. I just have so much going on, so much happening. I feel like my house is neglected. So I've decided to tackle one room at a time and give it a thorough cleaning from top to bottom. I even cleaned the cat hair off of this chair. And I cleaned everything that was on the walls, all the decor. Everything is dusted, everything is cleaned. I have swept, I have washed the floor, I have vacuumed, I even vacuumed the walls. I even dusted the walls because the dust was collecting on the walls. Even cat hair was clinging to the walls. And so I got the bathroom nearly done. I washed the floors, the rugs. I just need to wash the sink and the shower and the toilet. And I want to show you something about the shower. Change the shot so you can see it. See the grime that collects the shower doors. You see the shampoo over there. When I close the door, see how you can't see through it? That tells you how badly the shower doors need to be washed. I'm going to show you how easy it is to clean it in the shower. Open one door. Now I'll open the other door. You can see how it is not clean, okay? So I am going to clean that off as well as the shower walls. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to clean it. I have my homemade solution here. I will put the video, the link to the video that shares the recipe right here, so that you can see the recipe. Really easy for cleaning the shower. I also use it on the sink and on the toilet bowl. And it's definitely going to clean these shower doors. I'm going to show you the results of my special homemade blue shower cleaner. I spray everything down. The shower doors, the shower stall, all three walls, the shower floor. I even sprayed my bathroom sinks, the faucets, oh yes, the shower faucet too. And I sprayed my toilet inside and out. And then I waited for about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on what I do during that process. And then I come back, and with a simple washcloth, it wipes right off. I have to keep rinsing my cloth because it's a very foamy, very sudsy mix. But it does such an amazing job. You don't have to work hard. You don't have to scrub hard. Just wipe it down and rinse, and then you've got a brand new shower door and shower stall. So easy. I'll show you the results. Let me close the doors. That's one door. See, you can still see it. I close the other door and you can still see it. I now have clean shower doors as well as a very shiny clean shower. So check out my other video that will be suggested at the end of this video on the recipe for a scrubbing foam cleaner home recipe that you can make to have clean showers. Here's a look through the shower doors, and you can still see it. Great. This cleaning solution leaves the bathroom smelling clean and fresh without the use of harmful chemicals. In my pursuit of living a healthier life, I'm doing my best to avoid harsh chemicals. I make my own cleaning solutions. This solution only has 2 ingredients, and it works great. I have noticed that in my bathroom I have many doTERRA products. I am a doTERRA advocate. I use the skincare, shampoos, body scrubs, bath soaps, toothpaste, mouthwash, and deodorant. The only perfume I wear is doTERRA essential oils, and right now Magnolia essential oil is my favorite. I am so removed from chemicals that I can't even walk down that grocery aisle that has all of those cleaning supplies because I can't stand all the smells of the chemicals. I don't even like to be around people that are heavily perfumed. Most perfumes have chemicals in them because it's not food. The makers don't have to disclose the actual ingredients. If you really knew what were in those perfumes, you might be shocked. My husband and I use essential oils daily. I am almost 65 years old and I do not take any medications. Our medicine box contains only doTERRA essential oils. Now, not all essential oil companies are the same. doTERRA is pure and unadulterated. It's not watered down or mixed with other additives to stretch the oil as some other companies do. That is why doTERRA essential oils are so effective. I mix my own foaming hand wash using doTERRA products. Obviously, I trust doTERRA. I know the products. I know that they're pure and they're safe. I'm aware that most body and hair care products are harmful and have dangerous chemicals in them. Household cleaners also have dangerous chemicals in them. I stopped dyeing my hair when I realized that I was getting headaches after coloring my hair. I rarely get headaches anymore. Plus, the continued use of hair dyes can cause your hair to fall out. Haven't you noticed a lot of older women with thinning hair? Some of them are kind of looking almost bald. They don't realize what they're doing to themselves. My head is constantly growing new hair. So we are always adopting healthier choices for our lives. What we eat or drink, what we put on our hair or our body, and how we do laundry and clean our home. If you are interested in making healthy choices for your family, check out my website. It'll be in the description below the video. And don't forget to watch the video to catch the recipe for my cleaning, easy 2-ingredient cleaning solution that I used in this video. Thanks for watching.